In this section, we will be exploring how Python helps to make the decision in our code. We will dive into the essential skill of using conditional statement in Python. We will cover everything from the basic if statement to more advanced concept. The simple if statement for fundamental decision points, if-else statement when you have alternative action, if-elif-else chain for handling multiple conditions, nested if statement for complex decision trees, the elegant ternary syntax for quick conditional expression, and the new match case statement introduced in Python 3.10 for pattern matching. Let's start with the basic if statement. If statement allows to check a single condition and execute code only when that condition is true. We can use if statement for simple checks like determining if a number is greater than a certain value. See the example. We first check if x is greater than 10. If the condition evaluates to true, Python will execute the intended code below and print our message. Moving on to if-else statement. If-else statement extend our decision making to provide an alternative action when our condition is not met. These are perfect for binary decisions when there are exactly two possible paths to take. In this example, we will first check if x is greater than 10. If true, we print a message. Otherwise, the else block executes and we print the alternative message instead. Now let's explore if-elif-else statement. These statements handle multiple conditions in sequence, checking each one until a match is found. This creates a multi-branch decision structure where each one branch will execute. In our example, we first check x is greater than 10. If that is not true, we check if x equals to 10. If neither condition is true, the else block executes as our default case. Let's look at the nested if statement. Nested if statements place one if statement inside another, allowing for more complex decisions. This approach is useful when decisions depend on multiple hierarchical conditions. Here, we first check if x is greater than 10. Then only if that's true, we make a second decision checking if x is also greater than 20. This creates different paths based on the value range of x. Next, the ternary operator provides a compact one-line syntax for simple if-else logic. It is especially useful in conditional variable assignments. In this single line of code, we assign 5 to x if y is greater than 10. Otherwise, we assign 0. It's a clean, concise alternative to a full if-else block. Finally, let's explore the match case statement. The match case prints pattern matching capabilities to Python. It is particularly effective when checking a value against multiple possible streams. In the example, we match the value of x against different cases. If x equals 1, we print 1. The underscore works as the while character to catch any other value. By understanding these conditional structures, you will be able to build sophisticated logic in the applications, making them more responsive and intelligent.